What if you could use nothing more than your keyboard, internet connection, and basic English skills to work on AI projects from home? And no, I am not talking about just ChatGPT. There are platforms hiring people to write, type, transcribe, and evaluate AI responses, and they even hire to help train artificial intelligence. Today, I will show you 5 of those platforms so that you can check them out, including some that aren't talked about nearly as much as popular freelancing websites. And I want to state the number 5 because that one could be particularly interesting if you are outside the United States. If you are new to the channel, please hit the thumbs up button on this video, subscribe, and then turn on your notifications so that you will always see new videos when we post them here. Now, let's look at website number 1. Website number 1 here is OneForma. OneForma connects contributors with different AI and data projects. As you can see, I'm on the website page right now. You're going to see here, start working, get paid, and the rest, create your profile, and then just like that. Now, depending on what's available in your country, now remember that this also depends heavily on your location, where you are, your experience, and also your patience level. So there is no guarantee when it comes to these things. But then if you are outside the United States, you may find tasks involving transcription, data collection, text annotation, language work, and AI related evaluation. Okay. Now, the important thing here is that AI projects can vary significantly based on your location. So don't expect to register today and then start to automatically earn $30 per hour job. No, it doesn't work that way, especially if you are outside the United States. Instead, create your profile, complete your information accurately, and then check the available projects. So here, how do you create your profile? It's just simple. You go down to the top at the menu. You're going to see this menu here. Now, first of all, if you click on open projects, you would see the projects that are currently open and hiring right away. You're going to see these projects here. These are open, about 28 open projects that are available, which you can apply. And you're also going to see the countries in case you are there. Now, this one says worldwide. So if you are in Africa, you can apply for this multilingual OCRO annotation specialist. You can also apply for this one too here. Okay, these are worldwide, so you can apply. This one is Australia, Austria. Okay, available in 33 countries and just like that. So now, first you need to sign up an account, a free account. Click on the menu here. When you click on this menu, you're going to see sign up. Click on the sign up page, and then it will take you down to the sign up button, and then you sign up. After you sign up, you can then fill out your profile carefully. Just enter your email, your first name, and every other details, and then you create your account. You can also create it by clicking on your Google. All right. And OneForma is particularly interesting because some projects are designed for people with specific languages, locations, or skills. So if you speak more than one language, make sure your profile reflects that as well. Okay. So as you're filling out a profile, if you can speak French, you also make sure that you specify it right on your profile. Next website on the list is Mindrift. This one is more focused on training and improving AI systems. Now, I am on the Mindrift web page. Depending on the project, contributors can be asked to write contents, create prompts, evaluate AI generated responses, or even provide feedback on model outputs. Okay, so instead of just simply typing random words, you are currently helping AI better at understanding and producing useful information. So here, how do you sign up? First of all, you just go down to the menu, click on the menu, you're going to see apply here. First, you can click on all projects. You see all the projects here. Now you choose whichever that one. Now you can also click on how it works. So in case you don't know how it works, you can click on how it works, and then it takes you down to how it works here on Mindrift. Now, first of all, you click on here to apply. After you have checked how it works, just click on here to apply. Now you're going to see different opportunities, different openings, and how much they pay per hour. You're going to see different ones here. So you choose which one that applies to you, and then you can go for that one. And there is something important that you need to notice here. Some projects may require particular expertise or qualification. That's why I said earlier that earnings will differ based on location, qualifications, and experience. So if you see a project you're not qualified for, don't try to fake your credentials. This is very important, and apply only for works that genuinely matches your skills. Okay, this is very important. So you choose any of these projects that you know you have the skill and the experience. Okay, so that is it on Mindrift. Just click on here, register and browse tags, and then you can be able to register here. Yeah, so now let's go to the number 3 website. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, please hit the thumbs up button on it and then subscribe to the channel with your notification on. Website number 3 is Outlier AI. Now, this particular one here has become popular among people looking for AI training work. Tasks can include writing, reviewing AI responses, creating prompts, and evaluating AI generated contents. I even have some people in my WhatsApp group who are using Outlier AI, and they are really saying some good things about it. Yeah, so you might also want to check it out. Now remember that there is no guarantee, right? I am not guaranteeing anything. This is not a video that guarantees you anything. Rather, we are only sharing this for information and educational purposes. And depending on the project, compensation can be significantly higher than traditional micro-tax websites. But here is a catch: no guarantees. The amount you can earn depends on factors such as your qualifications, projects, availability, location, and the type of work you are assigned. If you click on here, you're going to see view opportunities. You're going to see different opportunities that are available on Outlier AI. Okay, think Outlier AI as a platform where your skills can determine which opportunities you qualify for. So what you want to do here is go to the website outlier.ai, then click on this menu here. If you click on this menu, you would see a place that says login. Now when you click on login, you can then be able to register an account. If your country is not listed, or if they say that this is not available in your country, another thing you can also do is to use a proxy. If you use a proxy, it might log you in right away. Yeah, so guys, that is website number 3. Let's go to website number 4. Next is Clickworker. Now, what you want to understand is that this one is slightly different. Clickworkers, it offers varieties of online micro tasks, and depending on availability, these can include text related work, research, categorization, data tags, and AI related projects as well. Now, the advantage here is that you might find tasks that takes only a few minutes, while other project could require considerably more time. However, tax availability can change. So if you register and don't immediately see something suitable, don't assume the platform is fake. It could simply mean there are currently no available tax for you at the moment. All you need to do is just check back again. It could also be because of your location. So in this case, I would also strongly recommend you use Proxy to log in the next time you're trying to log in, so that maybe that might help. But I'm not guaranteeing that if you use Proxy, you might just get tax. No, I'm just suggesting it. It might work, it might not also work. But in many cases, Clickworker is a legit platform that a lot of people have been talking about. Now, what you want to do is just you go ahead and then sign up. If you click on here, you're going to see a place that says register. If you click on register, it will ask you, is it for customers or is it for click workers? Now you just click on click workers here, and then once you click on click workers, it's going to take you down to the registration page where you can fill in all the details, and then you register, and from there you can complete the 3 steps that are here. And then once you're done with that, you could then be able to log into a dashboard and then see the available tasks if you have. Here we are. The last website on the list is CrowdGen by Appen. And the number 5 here is interesting when it comes to AI training. And this is definitely one of the best websites for me. And that's why I asked to stay until the end, because this one here, a lot of people have been talking about it. Projects can include transcription, search evaluation, data annotation, language tags, and other activities used to improve AI systems. And because projects are location specific, the opportunities available to someone in Nigeria may be different from the one available to those in the United States or UK. So don't use a VPN to pretend you are in another country just to access a project that is particularly on this CrowdGen. Be very honest and sincere. Use your real information and apply for projects you are actually eligible for. Now, how much can you earn when you're using these websites? Well, let's talk about it, because everybody asks, how much can I earn using this website? The honest answer is it depends. These platforms don't guarantee a fixed income. Your earnings can depend on projects, your location, your qualification, your location, available hours, and many tasks you are given. So, some AI projects advertise hourly rates that can be considerable higher than ordinary micro tasks. But you should never look at it as a guaranteed way of earning. No, your first goal should be getting accepted and finding a project that fits your skill. So that means you also need a skill to succeed with these websites. Now, here is an important warning. And before you register on any of these websites, remember this: if someone contacts you claiming they can guarantee acceptance or ask you to pay money to unlock an AI job, be extremely careful with such requests, because they might not actually be saying the truth. You should apply through the platform's website, just like as I'm showing you here in the video, and don't send money to random recruiters. Don't also create multiple accounts simply because you didn't get accepted in the first one. All right. How to increase your salary is simple. Just apply to all of these websites. Okay, one, two, three, or even all may work out for you. That's how you increase your chances. Yeah, guys. So thanks for watching. OneForma, Mindrift, Outlier AI, Clickworker, and CrowdGen by Appen. These are the websites, so you can just go ahead and check them out right away. Now, remember, they are not magic money making platforms. They don't guarantee you that you can earn instant money, right? They don't. Rather, what they're saying is you join. If you get accepted, you might see some job, and if you see those jobs, you do them, and then when you do them, that's when you get paid. Yeah, so guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification. Join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp group. I will see you in the next one.